In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Kit for email marketing without a domain name. If you are getting started with email marketing and you do not have a website or a custom domain yet, Kit can still help you collect subscribers. You can do that by creating a hosted landing page inside Kit and then sharing the link anywhere you already have an audience, like social media profiles, video descriptions, or direct messages. First, log in to your Kit account and look at the main navigation. Go to Grow, then select Landing Pages and Forms. This is the area where Kit lets you build opt-in pages and sign-up forms that connect directly to your email list. Next, click Create New and then choose Landing Page. Kit will show you a selection of templates. Pick any template you like. For example, you can choose a simple, clean option such as Abby. The specific design is not the most important part right now because you can still collect subscribers with any template. After you select your template, click Choose to open the landing page editor. Once you are in the editor, go to the top right and click Settings. Inside Settings, find the option labeled Incentive. This section controls how new subscribers confirm their subscription. Now check the box for auto-confirm new subscribers. This means people who sign up on your landing page will be added immediately without needing to click a confirmation email. This can reduce friction and make it easier to grow your list, especially when you are sharing a simple link and want the sign-up process to be quick. After you enable that setting, click Save. Then, still in the top right area, click Publish. Publishing is what makes your landing page live and accessible on the internet through Kit hosting, so you do not need your own domain name. Once it is published, Kit will provide a URL for your landing page. Copy that link carefully. This is the link you will share publicly so people can subscribe. Paste it into your social bio, add it to a pinned post, include it in your content descriptions, or send it directly to someone who asks for it. With that, you have a working email sign-up page hosted by Kit, ready to collect subscribers without a domain. And that covers everything you need to know.